Hi, today is Friday, September 4th. Today we're going to work out of our math journals and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to do page 5 and page 6. On page 5, you will see I already did mine so that you wouldn't have to wait for me to color, but you can go ahead and push pause whenever you want and follow the instructions. So what it says is, there are 10 backpacks. How many backpacks are there? 10. 6 are blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 are pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what this teaches us is 6 blue backpacks plus 4 pink backpacks equals 10. 10, okay? So follow the instructions and do 6 blue and 4 pink. All right, then here, what it tells us here is that we're gonna learn all about the number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? 3. Okay, so this is page 6. It's right here, page 6. It says, show the number 3. Let me teach you about this. This box right here, this big rectangle, is called the 10 frame. We use 10 frames for counting. So this right here is a 10 frame. And then I have these little magnet dots that I can put on there. Now, if the whole entire, all the boxes are full of these little magnetic circles, then we would know that we would have 10 circles. But for today, we're just showing the number 3. So 1, 2, 3. So on your 10 frame, just like this, but on your math journal, you're gonna color 3 circles. You can do this with a crayon or a pencil. 1, 2, 3. You're just gonna fill it out just like that. Then it says draw a picture. We're showing the number 3. So we're gonna show the number 3 by drawing something 3 times. I'm gonna draw 1 piece of candy, another piece of candy, and a third piece of candy. We're showing the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Right here, in this little diagram with the circles, what you do, we're gonna practice this a lot. This is the first time, but let me just show you what you do. So first, you write the number 3, and then we're gonna try to divide the number 3. So we're gonna see if we can make two groups out of 3 things, okay? I have my 3 dots right here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to divide it so that I have 2 groups so I can fill in these 2 circles, okay? So what we do is we're gonna pick somewhere and we're gonna chop it and then we're gonna make 2 groups. Here's one group, here's another group, okay? So in your circles, in the first circle, the top one, you're gonna count your groups. 1, 2. So this one has 2. And then in the bottom circle, you're gonna count the other group. This group only has 1 thing, okay? So what this shows us is that 2 things plus 1 more thing, put it all together, equals 3. So we just divided it. Now up here, this shows us a domino. A domino is a tool that we use for numbers, but it's also a game you might have seen. We need to show the number 3 on our dominoes. Okay, so we're gonna divide it again. We're gonna take our 3 dots, we're gonna divide it like that. On one side, we're gonna show 1 dot. On the other side, we're gonna show 2 dots, just like the dominoes, the game. So 2 dots plus 1 dot equals 3 dots, all of them together. Okay, that is what you're gonna do for your math journal today. Now for your math lesson, what you're gonna do is you are going to get your lesson worksheet number 8. Every time you see a dot, you're going to make the number that we're practicing. So for example, this is the number 0. I'm going to let you take your time to fill in all of the zeros, okay? But this is how you sing the song. So it goes like this. Make a circle and that is all. Let me grab my marker so it's a little darker. Make a circle and that is all. Make a circle and that is all. Now go to the next dot and you're going to make a circle and that is all. That's how you write the number 0. Okay, so every time you see a dot, even all the way down here, you're gonna make zeros. So we're gonna have 2 lines full of zeros. Now when you do the 6, this is the song. Slant on down and give it a curl. Slant on down and give it a curl. Slant on down and give it a curl. That's how you write the number 6. You're gonna keep going until you have 2 rows of 6s. Now for the 9s, this is what you do. Make a circle and come straight down. Make a circle and come straight down. Make a circle and come straight down. That's how you write the number 9. And the last one, so you're gonna do 2 rows of 9s. Then you're gonna do an 8. An 8 can be rather tricky sometimes because you have to know how to make an S. This is how we teach it at school. Make an S. Okay, so start on the black dot and curve, follow the arrow, curve around. Make an S and go back home. Make an S and go back home. Make an S and go back home. That's how you write the number 8. So you're gonna practice your 8s until you make it all the way to full rows. Okay? That's all for math for today.